Good morning. Today is Sunday, 20th December 2009. This morning I'm going to Den Bosch to visit my friend there, and the snow is quite huge. I mean, large amount of snow this morning. It's raining now. This is now it's about 9 a.m. Still raining. It's quite heavy, as you can see. A lot of snow. It's quite cold. -4 degrees Celsius. Okay. No. It's hard effort to go to everywhere. I hope there's no problem in the train service. As you can see, a lot of snow on the top of the car. It's beautiful. Meneer. This guy's quite dark. Snow everywhere. Got snow. It's nice, but it's cold, obviously. Okay. This is winkelcentrum Precygraaf. There, winkelcentrum Precygraaf. This is shopping center of Precygraaf, not Arnhem, but Arnhem Precygraaf. That's different. There's also a lot of snow here. Five more days is Christmas. Blackbird. The bird is going to shock you. Again, snow, still raining, heavy raining. So this is unpredictable. The forecast told that this year the snow is not much as the last year, but in fact the snow is quite much, even more than last year. Oh, that's the way. Circuit cut first. Okay, this is Winkelcentrum Brüssel, a lot of snow there.